Hello YouTube. Today is February 9th, 2019, and I'm having some issues with my 1979 John Deere 317, and I was wondering if you guys on YouTube, any of you who specifically know mechanics about these, if you could help me, especially Norman from iSafe Tractors, if you know what's going on, or anyone else out there, if you could tell me in the comments, or I'll include my email in the description. But anyways, I'll show you what kind of problems I'm having with it. So here's my 317, I believe it's a 1979 model, and it's been having two problems. So back, again, this is February 2020, so back in late July of 2019, my throttle started not working. Well, it still works, but as you can see, it only goes up halfway. It doesn't go up any farther without, and even when applying lots of pressure. So that is problem number one. And I can follow the line, and as you can see, it still moves freely, although this is really tight over here. Okay, number two, and this is a big problem that I really need help with. Last time I tried to start this up, let me set you down for a minute, I'm going to keep talking. Last time I tried to start this up was back in November of 2019, and so that's when I last used it. Did just fine, started right up. And back in, actually, I think I just found my problem. I think I got too much oil. So back in what was it? January 2020, I believe it was like the 14th, I tried to start it up to plow some snow, and it wouldn't start, and it was making a really weird noise. It was shaking. It would be like, what? It would turn over, and then it would be like, clink, clink, and then boom, clink, 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 boom. It would be like that, and it would shake the tractor like crazy, which it's never done. Still never started and stuff, and so I finally just walked away. I knew I had oil in it, and I'm thinking I just found my problem. I think it has too much oil. Would you guys say so? Do you think that's my problem? For now, if you guys could help me, I was going to try starting it up, but I don't know if I want to, being that's a little full. And so if you guys can help me in the comments or shoot me an email, drivetractors2006@gmail.com. You can also find it in the description of this video. But if you can tell me what I should do, and if you guys say if I need to try starting it up to show you what's happening, let me know, and I can do another quick little video on what it sounds like when I try to start it up. I'm assuming it's because I have the oil just a little too full, but if you guys could please let me know. Let me know what I should do, if I need to make another video on what it sounds like when I try to start it, and if you guys can help me figure out why my throttle is only going up halfway. If you guys can help me, I know I'm going to send the link to this video to Norman from iSafe Tractors. If you could help me out with that, or maybe even if you could make a, yeah, I don't know. If someone can please help me. This is my baby, and she's hurt. She, he, whatever you want to call it. And I need help. And because in the mechanic side of things, I'm definitely not the best. Alright, please email me or post a comment if you know something I should do or try, and if you think of something, I'll be sure to do a video on it. Thank you so much in advance for helping me.